This is Grant with Grant Bakes, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to shape a sourdough batard with no pre-shape. On the right here I've got my regular sourdough bread, it's ready to shape, and I've got a flour-lined Banneton basket on the left. This method works really well when you're just shaping one batard because your dough is already in a circle shape already, so it's really easy just to shape it into its final shape straight away. And I'm going to show you how I shape it with my hands in the air and then just put it right in the Banneton basket. So flip your dough over so the smooth side is on the bottom and the seam side is on top. Then just gently fold the dough over into itself, creating a seam in the middle. Flip the dough 90 degrees and then fold the dough over itself again. And this will create tension in the dough, just like in the normal shaping method that I do in some of my other videos. Just place it into the Banneton basket seam side up, and that's basically all the shaping you need to do. Just pinch the seam closed. You don't need to do any stitching or anything. Just pinching the seam closed will be enough. This is a really basic, easy shaping method with no pre-shape. I'm just going to check that my dough is not sticking to my Banneton basket. It was already lined with flour before, so that shouldn't be a problem. Then I'm going to cover the dough up and let it proof for about an hour and a half at room temperature. You can do anything you want. You can let it proof in the fridge overnight. I'm going with an ambient proof today. And about an hour and a half later, my dough passes the poke test and it's ready to bake. Let's see how this bakes up. As usual for me, I'm going to score this with one long slash. And then I'll bake this for 20 minutes with steam at 500 degrees Fahrenheit. And 20 minutes later, there's some really good oven spring in the loaf, so even though I didn't pre-shape this, it had enough tension to really puff up, and there's even a nice ear on the loaf, so it's nice. I'm going to bake this for another 15 minutes. And honestly, I'm really happy with how this one turned out. So next time you're making an oval-shaped sourdough batard, try skipping the pre-shape step. Use this method, see how it works for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to make better bread, sourdough, and pizza at home, consider subscribing to the Grant Bakes YouTube channel for new videos every single week. I'll see you in the next video.